So before we go to your history, and I'd really love to delve into that. What does a director of ICT at one of the most important regulators in the industry in Kenya? What's your day like? What are all these systems that you actually are responsible for to make sure they're ticking their 99.999% uptime and stuff like that?
Tough one. But short answer is, I find myself firefighting more than anything else. pushing papers and, probably not getting to do some of the more fancy deep dives in tech that, used to be fun, in the earlier part of my career. But at CA, typically on a normal day, we are taking care of the regulatory platforms.
Yes.
There are a number of them because there are some very technical functions we have.
Correct.
Broadcast, frequency and resource management, licensing and so on. And all of these have by some sort of specialized system or obligation. So, ensuring that this is, SLAs are being met, these are up. And of course, along with some of our other corporate systems like our ERP and CRM and other business applications. So that's the operational side, which is, mostly day-to-day, 50%, 60% of my time. And the other component is planning. The world is fast-paced and accelerating now. So I think I find I'm spending more time thinking about how to adapt. And probably the third key component is just people management, just managing the team.
Yes.
And that that's actually the hardest part.
That's the hardest part and the most interesting. Yeah, we do seem to forget that all these things are actually done by people.
True. Absolutely.
So Martin, I want to zero in on the planning part and the adapting part.